All right, this lesson is on slope. Should be a review from Algebra 1, but if not, hopefully this lesson refreshes your memory a little bit. Types of slope, if your line goes up to the right, we call that a positive slope. If your line goes down to the right, we call that a negative slope. If you have a flat line, we call that a zero slope or no slope. And if your line goes straight up and down, we call that undefined. It says given a graph, use the following for slope. We like to use an M, that stands for slope. And from a graph, it's rise over run. Start at one of the points, go up or down, and then go left to right to get to the next point. Rise over run. So we look at number one. That does not matter if you start at A or if you start at B. Just pick a point and start there. I'm going to start at A, and I have to rise first. I have to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my slope, M, I had to go up 4 over 5. Slope is 4/5. Number 2, I'll start at P. I have to get to Q. I have to go down 1, 2, 3. And then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 3 over 6. Slope was down 3 over 6, and I can reduce that to negative 1/2. So slope is negative 1 over 2. Number 3, if your line is straight up and down, your slope is undefined. Number 4, if you have a flat line for your slope, that is 0. You can say 0 or no slope, but we like this answer the best. If you're given order pairs, you have to use this formula. Once again, M stands for slope. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. All right, and all that means is these are your order pairs. So if I look at the first point, I'll call the first guy X1, Y1. The second set would be X2, Y2. And you just plug these points into your formula and then just reduce. So Y2 minus Y1, negative 1 minus 5. X2 minus X1, 6 minus negative 2. And remember, when you minus a negative, it turns into a plus plus. Up top, negative 6. Bottom, we have 8. And I can reduce that to negative 3/4. That is your slope from 2 points. Number 6. Once again, label the points X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Y2 minus Y1, 7 minus negative 3, which we know turns into a plus plus. Negative 6 minus negative 11. Once again, plus plus. Up top, I have 10. Bottom, I have 5. That reduces to just 2. That is your slope for number 6. Number 7, we'll label the points X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Y2 minus Y1, 2 minus negative 4, plus plus. 9 minus 9. Up top, I have 6. Bottom, I have a 0. Remember, in math, we can never, ever divide by 0. If you were to take your calculators and type in 6 divided by 0, it would come out to say undefined. That is your straight up and down line. That is a straight up and down line, undefined. Number 8, X1, Y1, X2, Y2, y2 minus y1, negative 3 minus a negative 3, plus plus, bottom 0 minus negative 7, plus plus. Up top I have 0, bottom I have 7. 0 divided by anything is always going to come out to be 0. That is your slope. And that is your slope review.